Hi, I'm Winnie Casamis and I'm from MSC Singles Cavite. I'm 32 years old. I've been writing songs for the community for the past 2 years. Ayun, yung song that I will be sharing today is In Your Presence. Nasulat ko siya because I was tapped to write it for the WSC 2024. During the preparation for the WSC, it was also the same moment when our family was going through a difficult time. Ito yung time na na-diagnose si nanay, yung tita namin ng chronic kidney disease stage 5. Nung mga pagkakataong to, sobrang nakakaubos and nakakapagod talaga. And yung only place na nakakahanap ako ng pahinga is sa mga adoration chapel. During this time, nahuli ko lang yung sarili ko that I go to different adoration chapel as long as I have the chance to. And the line of the song that really speaks to my heart is yung pre-chorus. Yung line na, I'll remain in your presence, Jesus. I'll remain in your presence, Jesus. I'll remain in your presence, Jesus. Let me remain. It was a silent cry of my heart that despite everything that is happening to me, I always wanted to remain in the presence of Jesus. Nung time na nasa biyahe nga ako pauwi, it was the time na talagang nakakapag-reflect ako. And then, yun, habang kausap ko si Lord during that reflection, the line of the song came through. And Lord, I have nothing to offer but a heart in total surrender. Lord, I have nothing to offer but a heart in total surrender. Laying down all that I am, I come to worship you. Ito lang talaga yung dasal ko. Lord, wala na akong may offer sa'yo kundi yung puso ko lang. And for me, that's the moment wherein the Lord really touched my heart. Na lahat ng nangyayari sa akin, masakit, masaya, mahirap, it was a call to worship the Lord. Kaya yun, doon yung sumunod na line na, laying down all that I am, I come to worship you. And then, during that time, sobrang nag-flow na lang din yung prayer ko nun. At doon nasulat na yung chorus part na ito yung proclamation ko kung sino ba si Lord sa buhay ko. That He is an unchanging God. That His love is everlasting. And that His promises are always true. And when you have Jesus in your life, He is always more than enough. My God, you're unchanging, everlasting is your love, true to your promise, you are always more than enough. Para sa akin, yung huling part ng song na naisulat ko is yung bridge part. Yung For I Am Yours, Forever Yours. Habang nasa biyahe din ako nito pa uwi, saka ko siya naisulat. For I am yours, forever yours. Lord, I am yours, forever yours. Kasi iniisip ko, ano nga ba Lord yung identity ko sa'yo? At yun lang yung nag-came through sa akin, that na ako ay para sa Diyos at ang Diyos ay para sa akin, for I am yours, forever yours. Actually, si Lord lang naman talaga yung pinakadahilan bakit ko nasulat yung kantang yun. Kasi nga, parang para sa akin, it was an answered prayer from, bakit ako naiiyak? Nakakainis. It was an answered prayer from the Lord na dati kasi talaga sobrang pangarap kong makapagsulat ng kanta and makapag-record ng song, and I didn't realize that the Lord would answer it through that experience. Sobrang naging maganda lang sa akin yung it was a life-changing experience for me dahil hindi lang ako yung binago ng Diyos dun sa proseso ng pagsusulat ng kanta, pero alam kong marami ding na-bless nung time na narinig din to nung iba. Para sa lahat ng may passion na magsulat ng kanta para kay Lord, let us not be afraid to share it. Kasi in the very first place, it is not ours para i-keep lang sa mga sarili natin. Hayaan natin na i-share yung kagalingan ng Diyos sa mga buhay natin through our songs. And let us allow ourselves to be a part of a bigger reason ng mga passion natin, and that is to glorify the Lord. Kaya submit na natin yung mga entry natin para sa Sound the Trumpet Songwriting Competition.